Service and maintenance are a huge priority at KLEEMANN. Behind every plant is an end customer who wants to earn money. And ultimately, after machine sales, it's our job to secure the right spare parts and crushing tools, along with trained staff readily available in the local markets. We can't fly around and travel all over the world every day, repairing and commissioning the equipment, so it all has to work self-sufficiently via the branches. It's not like selling a car or having a car put into operation where each car is uniform. The plants themselves are of course the same, but the surroundings, every site is different. I have different output services, different material sizes everywhere. The influencing factors are always different. Service actually begins with the design. These days, even at the development stage, we already consult either an area service manager or a trainer. And in some cases, we even ask the opinions of the mechanics, inviting them to head down to the plant. And we all take a look at the prototype together. The beauty of our machines is that they are easy to service and that we have good accessibility to the grease nipples. With the new geometry, our crushers are designed so that even heavy guys just like me can fit in. I have filters that are brought forward, I have drain valves in easily accessible positions, I have marks on the crushing tools. And of course, the quality of the plant continues to increase steadily because of it. Previously, you had to climb all over the entire machine to lubricate, to perform weekly or daily maintenance. Today, everything is done at a central point. And the nice thing is, we have service sockets that help us with the service in order to connect our electrical equipment, but also occasionally a kettle or my cell phone. True story. So the individual parts not only encompass individual structures or individual elements, but they are the sum of the topics we have just listened to. For one, it's the product support, it's our mechanics, all the training, it's having available replacement and wear parts for the markets that make it successful as a whole. And that simply makes the product successful too.